What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do an unboxing of the new sneakers from Pharrell. This is the Pharrell Adidas Solar Pack. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are in the middle of a giveaway. We're giving away a brand new Adidas Yeezy Zebra as well as an Epic React Flyknit now that we've hit 30,000 subscribers. To join, you need to be subscribed to the channel and you need to follow me on IG. I'll put the link down below on the mechanics. Click it, watch it, and join. The new Pharrell Williams Solar Pack dropped today here in the Philippines. It dropped over at Commonwealth SM Aura, Commonwealth Greenbelt, Adidas over at Uptown Mall BGC, as well as the Adidas Philippines website. Now, initially, I tried my luck going for the Adidas Philippines website. No luck whatsoever, sold out very fast. I tried to think if I could still make it to the Adidas BGC Uptown Mall branch. No luck as well. But I did manage to find pairs that were still sitting over at Commonwealth SM Aura and Commonwealth Greenbelt. So at SM Aura, I was able actually to cop the solar pack for the tennis use, and I was able to get the NMDs over at Commonwealth in Greenbelt 5. Let's check them out. This is a very familiar box because most of the Pharrell Williams silhouettes or sneakers or collaborations come in this type of packaging. You have a cream colored box, you have the human logo here at the top, you have all the other pertinent information of the sneakers that tag along the side with that multicolored Adidas logo on both ends of the sneaker. Now let's pop the box open and check out what's inside. There were 3 sneakers that came out for the NMD pack. Now, they each have different colorways and different encouraging and inspiring words written across them, as you have with most of the sneakers of Pharrell. Now, I really wanted to get the Empower and Inspire silhouette, which had like yellows and reds, but that sold out pretty fast. My second favorite also sold out, so I actually ended up getting the least favorite one in the pack. But hey, I still wanted to cop a pair, mainly because I wanted to do this review. And I really wanted to pick up a pair from this collection because it has so much positivity in them and I could relate to that. So here you have it. This is the Motherland silhouette. You have Mother and then land on the other top of the sneaker on the knit upper, and then you have streaks of white, black, pink, and the tribal color along the side near the collar, and then you have that blue lacing system here as well as that bright kick-ass yellow outsole. So here you have it. This is the Pharrell Williams Adidas Solar U NMD with the Motherland. Now, I will do a more comprehensive review of this pair. This is not the moment, or this is not the video that I'd want to do that, but I just want to call out one thing. This pair is ridiculously expensive. I mean, for retail, it sells here in the Philippines for 14,000 pesos or a little over $280. The retail, if you buy it in US, is actually $250. So it is a little more expensive to be able to cop it here, at least $30 more. But man, maybe that's the reason why it sat. I mean, that's probably the reason why it didn't sell out as fast as it could. Now, this pair is actually the one that I really wanted to cop. This is, again, the same box. You have the cream-colored box, human logo, Pharrell Williams, Adidas logo here on the side, and then the information here along the side panel of the box. This is the Solar U Tennis V2. So I absolutely hated the Tennis V1s of Pharrell because they were so uncomfortable to wear, especially for people with wide feet. The entrance was too narrow, it wasn't too comfortable at all, the cushioning was pretty much non-existent. So I wanted to try out the V2 because this is actually the first pair of the V2s that came out with this particular solar pack. So let's pop the box open and check the shoes out. Now, I did get the red colorway. There was also a solar yellow colorway, which just looks so amazing. I was actually thinking of copying that one as well. Now, here you have it. This is the sneaker, and it looks so much better than the V1 tennis shoes. I mean, seriously, I love the knit upper. I'm not sure if it's knit or mesh, but it looks like knit. I love the midsole, the outsole. I love the entire look, the vibe, and the feel of the sneaker. I also love that it has so much character. It's not just one-dimensional anymore. You have the knit, you have the suede here, you have leather panels along the sides and on the tongue, and you even have, I mean, wow, this is a really nice sneaker. Yeah, only problem with this one, by the way, sells for 8,000. What? 8,000 pesos for a non-boost sneaker. They're really crazy prices. I mean, wow. Really crazy, really expensive. But yeah, this is the Tennis U Pharrell Solar Pack 8,000 bucks, guys. Watch out for the review coming soon. And that's it for this vlog. I just wanted to put this quick unboxing over so that you guys can see what were the latest shoes that I was able to cop this weekend. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you follow me on IG, and don't forget to click the link down below so you can be part of our giveaway for the Yeezy Zebra. That's it for now. Peace, happy weekend, God bless.